Hi everybody, I'm super excited to talk to you about this new product that I just got in. So this is the over-the-ear wireless headphones and the brand is Clear and this is the ARC3 model. So comes in the package like this. There's the instructions and this is what it looks like. How pretty. So this is called the Smart Case. This is where you would charge up your headphones. And we're gonna open them up. Look, there's even a mirror, which is kind of funny. And this is how they look. Okay, so that's the first one and the second one. They're very easy to pair up. Once you've paired them, you've downloaded the app and you've paired them up, they're going to always connect to your device, so your iPhone or your computer, laptop. We've used them for both. And if you take a look at the headphones themselves, they are adjustable, so you can kind of pop this out and then you can change the angle that you want, push them back in. They're very lightweight, and the sound, it's this special sound. I don't know too much about, you know, the surround sound and all that, but it has the Snapdragon sound, which is supposed to be a surround sound, and it also is Dolby Atmos. So I am very impressed with these. They go over the ear. So the other thing I wanted to mention was when you place these inside the charging case, so not only do they charge up, but when you close them, they are UV sterilizing. So every single time you use these and you put them back in the case, they are getting clean. How cool is that? So on the Smart Case itself, you can see how much charging the earbuds are at, as well as the case. You can also have this on or off. This is for if you're playing different sports. Hearing care. This is a really great feature as well. So if you're concerned with the volume affecting your ears in the future, you can adjust it and it can keep your ears safe. And then you have the different, how many steps you've taken in a day, which is super cool, but that would only be if you have this on you. And what else? Oh, this is just gonna tell us how long we have the screen on for. I set it to 45 seconds. Okay, it also has the feature of Find My Earbuds. So it's going to ding if you press left, if you press right, and then it's going to show or let you know in the house where it is. All right, another really cool feature is you can control the volume. All you need to do is tell it volume up or volume down, and the volume will change, and you can answer a call or reject a call just based on the motion of your head, up and down or right to left.